I am Dr. S. Mishra. I'm a dental surgeon and I welcome you all to my channel Now Ask the Doctor. So recently, all of us are hearing one thing, that is the coronavirus is mutating. And there is a new strain of the coronavirus which may be more powerful, more infectious. So what is the meaning of this mutation? And if it mutates, what will be its effect on us? So what are the consequences? So let's begin today's topic all about viral mutation. And today in this video, I will explain the viral mutation in a very simple way so that everybody from the non-medical background also can easily understand what does this mean. So mutation simply means an alteration or a change or a variation or evolution. Now let us see what is a virus. So a virus is an ultra microscopic or submicroscopic infectious agent that have the power of replication only inside a living host cell. So this means they cannot be seen by naked eyes or even by normal microscopes, and they behave as an inanimate object or a non-living object outside the living cell of a host and can even be crystallized outside. Now these viruses are made up of three things. You can see here this black outer envelope which has spikes like projections for attachment to the host cell. Then this green capsid or the capsomeres. Capsid. Then inside this capsid there is a genetic material. It may be DNA or RNA. In case of coronavirus, the genetic material is RNA or ribonucleic acid. And again, this envelope may be present or may not be present, but coronaviruses are enveloped viruses. So mutation means, to explain it in a simple way, there is some change in this genetic material, due to which there is some behavioral change in the virus. They can be more powerful, more infectious, or even more resistant. So it may behave in a different way. That is why exactly all of us are worried about the mutation of the coronavirus. So if I explain in a more simpler way, it is like there is a constant war going between us, that is the human race, and the coronavirus. This war is for existence. The virus cannot exist outside. It needs a host for its existence, and that host is the human being. So it's a struggle for existence. We are struggling for our existence. We are trying to defeat the virus by making new medicines, vaccines, etc. And the virus, meanwhile, is not sitting quietly. It is also preparing itself for its existence by modification in its structure, that is by mutation, so that it can become more resistant to our treatment. This is the law of nature. So there is a constant battle for existence, and hopefully we will win this battle soon. But this pandemic taught us one very important lesson. If we think we human beings are the most intelligent, the superior most, the strongest creation, then we are wrong. Every creation has their own intelligence. So we humans should not underestimate the power of any creation, be it a living thing or a non-living thing. We should always keep in mind that even this tiny virus particles has the power of locking us inside our home for months. So we should learn and practice the art of respect. We should respect nature and its creation, and we should take life a little more seriously. If you find my video helpful and informative, then please share it with your near ones. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more health related videos. Thank you. Stay healthy and stay happy.